Hello and welcome to Indiana ArtsDesk. I'm Marcus Jackman. Coming up tonight, ARF, the Animal Rescue Fund of Muncie, hosts its first Doggy Beauty Contest. Plus, the Arts Calendar takes a look at what's going on this weekend in the IPR listening area. But first, one of the newest instruments on the Ball State campus is also the largest. The Carillon of the Shafer Tower. It was dedicated last spring. A carillon is a set of bells of at least 2 octaves played through a keyboard. 101 steps up into the tower, Dr. Kirby Koriath of the BSU School of Music explains the playing apparatus. In some ways, it's very similar to a church organ with pedals and a keyboard, but the keyboard isn't the ebony and ivory keys of a piano. It's a series of levers arranged in the chromatic pattern of a piano or organ, but it's all brown and the keys are much larger.
This is we're now looking at the keyboard on which the music is played, and it's a very heavy, well-built instrument with metal rods that go through the ceiling up into the belfry, and they are connected then to the individual bells. But the turnbuckles allow the carillonneur to compensate for temperature changes.
And besides the difference in scale, there is another difference that might escape the eye, but not the ear or the hand: the difference in key weight.
You don't experience this on an organ or on a piano. All of the keys are pressed with approximately the same weight. But on the carillon, as you go down toward the lower bells, the clappers are very, very heavy, and because there's inertia involved, for some of the low notes to strike at the proper time, you actually have to start the pedal or start the key early.
Up in the belfry atop the playing room hang the bells. Koriath says they range from 5,500 pounds to 40 pounds. They were cast in France by an 8th-generation bell maker. Many were purchased with private donations. It's a beautiful view on a sunny afternoon from the belfry, but not where you'd like to be to enjoy a concert.
It's pretty loud to hear a bell here. This is the playing mechanism. You know, when these things, and I played that very lightly. That's a low C.
And although bells that average around 1 ton might seem incapable of much dynamic range, that is, delicate shades of expression between fortissimo and pianissimo,
good carillonneurs are able to traverse that range of expression. The softest softs, the loudest louds are all part of his playing, as they would be the playing of any really experienced professional. Debussy, light, ethereal pieces on the high bells of the carillon, plus you can romp and stomp too with the big band pieces, transcriptions.
That music from an original composition for the carillon, played by Dr. Koriath and a graduate student, Jong-Ji Young. And after performances of practiced, accomplished musicians, it's time for rank amateurs to take to the keyboard.
Oh, you guys I'd like to play at something. We'll see how it goes. I feel, yeah. Get ready.
And so this is going to be your middle C.
Yep.
And then that's the.
All right. Can you put it on just extra pianissimo so the sound doesn't go farther than like 200 yards? Wow.
The weight of the larger bells farther down on the left is unmistakable, and trying to play without the comforting visual map of black and white keys is more difficult than one might imagine, especially if you're playing for an entire campus of people. In fact, it can lead to some mistakes.
Wrong note.
and we hope in the years ahead that we have more students, faculty, townspeople, staff interested in the instrument and willing to play. If not, it'll sit here and kind of like the one down at IU. It's not played much, and there's a lot of rust on the moving parts, and we certainly don't want that to happen here.